Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best First Alert P1210 smoke alarm, the First Alert SM210. This smoke alarm stands out with its 10-year sealed lithium battery, which means you won't have to worry about changing batteries or annoying low battery chirps for a whole decade. That alone brings peace of mind, knowing your home's safety is continuously monitored without constant maintenance. The SM210 features First Alert's precision detection technology. This is an advanced photoelectric sensor designed to meet the latest industry standards. What makes it really impressive is its ability to reduce false alarms from everyday cooking while still providing early warning in case of a fire emergency. This smart detection balances safety and convenience, especially useful for kitchens or areas where false alarms can be a nuisance. Another key feature of this alarm is its slim profile design. At just about an inch deep, it's half the depth of a standard smoke alarm. This makes it less obtrusive when mounted on ceilings or walls, blending in smoothly with your home's decor. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on effectiveness or reliability. Installation and usability are straightforward. The alarm comes with a test and silence button that allows you to easily check if it's working properly or temporarily silence nuisance alarms. When the smoke alarm reaches the end of its 10-year life, it will emit an end-of-life warning, signaling it's time for a replacement. This feature ensures you never overlook replacing the unit, keeping your safety up to date. In terms of design and build, the First Alert SM210 weighs just under 6 ounces and measures 5.13 inches in diameter, making it lightweight and easy to handle. It's battery-powered with a long-lasting lithium battery included right out of the box. The product is made in Mexico by Residio, a trusted name in home safety. Overall, the First Alert SM210 offers a perfect combination of reliability, convenience, and modern design. Its 10-year sealed battery, advanced smoke sensing technology, and sleek look make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home safety system with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Stay safe and see you next time.